I'm just another man out here on tour. Put my pants on the same way as anybody else, one leg at a time. The only difference is the tour opens and closes because of me.
What are your thoughts on having a Latch Tech on tour?
You know, it gives me peace of mind. Just knowing that every case lid, every door, essentially, is properly maintained and taken care of, really. I mean, it just boils down to I can sleep better at night knowing that all my cases are secure, that safety is covered. I don't have to worry, and it's a load off my back. See? That's a latch fail right there.
This one's good. That one's good. That one's good. Oh! What do we have here? This one needs a little work, it looks like. And there you have it. Latch Fixing 101.
These latches drive me nuts.
Talk about those, because those are the worst latches there are.
What's the worst part about my day? B1. This box. Look at these latches. I don't get paid enough for this crap. Every day, my nails. I have nice nails, man. My nails keep getting caught. I keep having to go get them done every afternoon after my massage. I can't handle these freaking latches. I don't know where the dang Latch Tech is, but look at this. Like, you gotta push it down. Push it. It won't even catch. Like, I don't get paid enough for this crap. This is why I have a Latch Tech. Like, seriously, B1 ruins my day every day.
It's a tough job because every department's really depending on me for all their stuff to work. Without latches, it's not going to get done.
Hey, Latch Tech, we got a broken latch up there in cart 4, LED matrix. Needs to be addressed as soon as possible.
I ain't never seen one broken brake before. Right there. We got a broken latch. And we need to address it as soon as possible because that's a safety hazard.
Most days, we're just hoping that there's no real emergency.
Alert! I need the Latch Tech. I have a major issue in the production office. I need the Latch Tech now.
Guys! Hey, step out of the way. Let a professional handle this. Hurry!
Oh, God. Oh, thank you. I don't know what happened.
Here, let me take your coffee.
Thank you. I was getting a cup of
Oh my
coffee.
goodness.
It's just... Oh!
Latch Tech. Latch Tech.
You do handles?
Latch Tech? Who's the Latch Tech?
Latch Tech. Latch Tech.
That's awesome! That's good footage right there.